Hi, I'm Devin Binion. I'm a project estimator for foundation repairs here at A&M Home Services based out of Plymouth, Indiana. We do service about a 2.5 hour radius outside of Plymouth. Just to give you an idea, that's Indianapolis all the way up to southern Michigan as far as Kalamazoo, and then from Chicago all the way over to Ohio. Now, the new sump basins that I'm going to talk about today, these are innovated and patented by a company called Safe Basements that we partnered with. They are based out of Minnesota. The big thing about these basins here is they're easily installable for crawl spaces with small openings. So with it collapsed like this, it's about 11 inches in height, 19 inches in diameter, and then also this lid. This lid is amazing because it's got a clear plexiglass top here, and then also, I'll come a little closer, that way you guys can see it. If you have radon issues in your home, there is a radon seal here as well. This makes it great, so if you think you have something wrong with your sump pump, you just walk by it, take a look down through it instead of having to go take 30 minutes to find a screwdriver that you forgot you put in the kitchen drawer. And then also up here in this top half, this is where all your discharge plumbing is going to go. So you'll have enough room for the discharge piping, which is 1.5 PVC, and then you'll have enough room for the sump cord to come out. And then also the piping and the cord will have black silicone seals, that way it makes it radon compatible. And then that leaves enough room here, if you do have radon, that your radon discharge piping can also get plumbed through this as well. Now, to give you an idea of what this looks like and how it will be installed, this is the bottom, this is the mid-tier, and then here we have the lid. The great thing about this lid, with the way it's designed up here in the top, is encapsulations in the crawl spaces. This makes it extremely time-saving for the installer and the technicians that are doing the job. They don't have to get it perfect cut. They don't have to worry about all the seam tape, none of that on the encapsulation. So what they'll do is they'll just get the hole dug, get the encapsulation laid, put a few slits up here, and then pop this in place. And this will seal that encapsulation around the pump as well. Again, I am Devin Binion, a project estimator here at A&M Home Services. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to learn about our newly innovated collapsible sump baskets. Keep watching because we will have more videos to come.